Let's break down residential sidewalk installation. Complete guide. Here's what you need to know. Sidewalk installation costs 8 to 15 per linear foot. Learn site prep, finishing options, timelines, and what to expect from a concrete contractor. Quick answer. Residential sidewalk installation costs 8 to 15 per linear foot for standard broom-finish concrete. Most projects take 3 to 5 days and require a permit. Proper subgrade preparation and air entrainment protect against freeze, thaw damage common in North Carolina. A well-built concrete sidewalk is a smart investment in home access, safety, and curb appeal. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Whether you're adding a new walkway to your front entry, replacing a cracked or settled sidewalk, or improving accessibility around your property, understanding the process, costs, and materials will help you make an informed decision. This guide covers site evaluation, finish options, the complete installation process, common problems, and what to expect from a professional contractor. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews serving Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triangle, the Triad, Winston-Salem and Greensboro, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in residential concrete projects, including sidewalk installation and repair. Most sidewalk projects range from 50 to 200 linear feet and take 3 to 5 days from subgrade preparation through curing. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Residential sidewalks typically cost 8 to 15 per linear foot for standard broom-finish concrete, depending on site conditions and local soil composition. Moving on to sidewalk installation costs. Most residential sidewalk projects cost between 8 and 15 per linear foot for standard broom-finish concrete. This price reflects concrete material, labor, subgrade preparation, and finishing work on typical soil conditions. A 100 linear foot sidewalk would run roughly $800 to $1,500 before demolition or site remediation. Factors that increase cost include poor or unstable subgrades, removal of existing concrete, limited equipment access, decorative finishes, or complex drainage requirements. The table below breaks down typical pricing by scope and finish type. Price range per linear foot. New sidewalk, standard soil. Next up, dimensions and building standards. Standard residential sidewalks are 4 feet wide and 4 inches thick. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.